Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. All right, if you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Once a month, I do a short video that just showcases some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. Now, there are a lot more that I wore, but I just usually pick 10 that I wore in the previous month, and I quickly go through them. This is not a wig review. Now, I have already reviewed all these wigs, so there's no reason to go through all that again. I will put a link in the drop down box below this video. Just go to the drop down box and there will be a link to the full review of all of these wigs. Now that will include everything: cap construction, indoor and outdoor lighting, discussion of fit, permatease, everything you know is in the full review. But like I said, I've already done that, so I don't want to waste your time with all of that. Today I'm just going to do a quick spin of these wigs. I will put the name up here, the brand, the name, and the color of all the wigs I'm going to show you. And again, you'll be able to see the full reviews by going to the drop down box for the link. All the wigs I'm going to show you today are from Wig Studio One. I either purchased them or they were provided to me for previous review. All right, let's get started and look at some wigs. Thanks for stopping by my channel and having a look at a few of the wigs I wore in April. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time.